In this video, I'm going to show you how to install and use Surfshark VPN on an LG Smart TV. Since LG TVs run on WebOS, they don't support native VPN apps the same way Android TVs do. But the good news is that you can still use Surfshark on your LG TV through a few simple methods. I'll walk you through each option so you can choose the one that works best for you. Before we start, I've added my Surfshark link in the description so you can grab the best deal if you don't already have an account. Now, let's get into the setup. The first method is using the Surfshark VPN app directly. However, this only applies if you have a TV that supports app installation from the Google Play Store, such as Android-based models. If your TV happens to support VPN apps, just open the App Store on your TV, search for Surfshark, download it, open the app, log in with your Surfshark account, and connect to any server you want. It's the fastest and simplest way, but many LG TVs won't show the VPN app, which brings us to the next methods. The second method, and the most commonly used one for LG Smart TVs, is installing Surfshark on your home router. When you install the VPN directly on your router, every device connected to your Wi-Fi, including your LG TV, automatically gets the protection of Surfshark. This means encrypted connection, hidden IP address, and access to geo-restricted content without needing an app on the TV itself. The setup process depends on your router type, but the idea is the same. Log into your router's control panel, find the VPN section, and enter the Surfshark configuration details from your Surfshark account dashboard. Once it's connected, your entire home network becomes protected, and your LG TV can stream global content with full privacy. The third method is creating a VPN hotspot from your computer. This is a great option if you don't want to configure your router. All you need is a Windows or Mac computer with Surfshark already installed and connected. Start by turning on the mobile hotspot feature from your computer's network settings. Set a name and password for your hotspot, then enable it. Next, open your network adapter settings and find both your Surfshark VPN adapter and the mobile hotspot adapter. Right-click the Surfshark adapter, go to Properties, and then to the Sharing tab. Check the box that allows other devices to connect through your computer's internet connection and select the mobile hotspot from the drop-down menu. Once that's done, you can connect your LG Smart TV to this hotspot just like any normal Wi-Fi network, and your TV traffic will automatically go through Surfshark. After using any of these methods, your LG TV will have access to all the benefits of Surfshark: safer browsing, access to blocked apps, protected streaming, and full privacy while watching your favorite content. If you want to try Surfshark or get it at a discounted price, I've added my Surfshark link in the description for you.